Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious soft tofu. I hope you will like it. Fish balls contain vitamin A, iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc., which can nourish blood and liver. People who often lose hair can also eat it to nourish hair. Today's recipe is fish ball soup using kohlrabi as the soup base. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are fish balls, kohlrabi, carrot and ginger. Only a small part of the kohlrabi is enough. Wash and cut the kohlrabi into strips. Diced carrot. Sliced radish. Chopped ginger. Wash fish balls and set acid. Pour the minced ginger, kohlrabi and carrot into the soup pot and cook to taste. Add radish slices. Add fish balls, and once it floats and soup is done. Optional to add pepper powder. Salt is not required as kohlrabi itself has enough saltiness. Delicious kohlrabi fish balls soup is ready to be eaten. This soup is appetizing and delicious. Give it a try. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.